In our last video, we covered 10 practice questions for the CompTIA CySA Plus exam, specifically from the Security Operations and Vulnerability Management domains. Today, as promised, I will continue with 10 more questions covering the remaining 2 domains. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out and come back to this one. I'll leave the link in the comments and in the description of this video. Now, let's get started. The first set of questions is from the Incident Response and Management domain, which is worth 20% of the exam. Number 11. What is the first step in the incident response process? A. Recovery. B. Detection. C. Containment. D. Eradication. I'm going to give you a few seconds. That's going to be B. Detection. Okay. Number 12. Which of the following best describes a root cause analysis? A. Identifying the symptoms of a security incident. B. Determining the initial access points of the attacker. C. Analyzing the underlying cause of a security incident. D. Identify potential future attacks vectors. Okay, like I said before, just a few seconds. It's going to be C. Analyzing the underlying cause of a security incident. Okay, next one. What is the purpose of evidence handling in incident response? A. To prevent tampering with digital evidence. B. To delete all evidence related to the incident. C. To disclose evidence to the public. D. To share evidence with law enforcement agencies. It's going to be A. To prevent tampering with the digital evidence. It is very critical when you're handling evidence in the incident response that you are keeping evidence secure and there's a correct chain of custody. So chain of custody is big in incident response, and you should know everything related to the chain of custody. Pro tip. Okay, so 14. Which of the following is not a recommended step in the incident recovery process? A. Restoring affected systems and data. B. Documenting lessons learned from the incident. C. Identify, implementing corrective actions. And D. Ignoring the incident and moving on to other tasks. Keyword right here. So it'll be D. Ignoring the incident and moving on to other tasks. Pretty simple. Just gotta make sure you read the question. Number 15. What is the primary purpose of evidence handling in incident response? A. To prevent tampering with digital evidence. B. To delete all evidence related to the incident. C. To disclose evidence to the public. D. To share evidence with law enforcement agencies. The answer is A. To prevent tampering with the digital evidence. Again, another question about handling your evidence. Okay, before we continue to the last domain, let me know in the comments if you want to see something more detailed or if you want harder questions. I'm more than happy to make another video. As I mentioned in some of my other videos, my goal is with this channel is to provide insights and mentor you all in the latest in the IT world. So subscribe, like, and go and check out some of those other videos. Alright, let's get back to it. The last set of questions is from the Reporting and Communication domain, which is worth 17% of the exam. Okay, 16. Which of the following is a key component of an incident report? A. Technical details of security incidents. B. Contact information for competitors. C. Personal opinions of the incident responder. D. Non-disclosure agreements. It's a key component. A. Technical details of security incidents. Okay. Number 17. What is the purpose of a post-incident analyst? A. To prioritize security incidents. B. To identify potential future attacks vectors. C. To prepare for future security incidents. D. To recover systems and data after an incident. Okay, let's see. Let's give you a few seconds. It'll be C, to prepare for future security incidents. Okay, number 18. Which of the following stakeholders should be informed during a security incident? A, the competitors. B, law enforcement agency if required. C, customer if their data is affected. D, vendors. It's very important. If required, if the data is affected, right? I'm gonna explain a little bit more. Just to give me just a few seconds here. Boom, B, law enforcement agencies if required. Okay, for the exam, you gotta make sure you know your laws, policies, and especially where the country that you're operating on, because you're gonna get questions that are gonna be kind of tricky, and it might be something about GDPR, or it might be something related to the credit card industry, or Europe, or HIPAA, and you gotta know all those things in order to answer the questions. And as CompTIA normally does, they like to trick you, so just pay attention to those little things. Okay, number 19. What does RCA delve into? A, symptoms of a security incident. B, initial access point of the attacker. C, underlying cause of a security incident. And D, potential future attack vectors. I'm gonna give you a few seconds there. So it'll be C, underlying cause of security incident. Okay, so we almost done here. Number 20. What is the primary purpose of incident communication? A, to inform internal stakeholders only. B, to communicate transparently with external stakeholders. I don't know. Okay, sure. C, to assign blame for security incidents. D, to delete evidence related to a security incident. What is the primary purpose? B, to communicate transparently with external stakeholders. Okay, that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. If you want to see more content like this, let me know below. I'll see you next time. They are out.